Question 1. Identify the part containing the error and mark it as your answer. If there is no error anywhere in the sentence, mark no error, E, as your answer. If the employees would have A. Succeeded in their attempt, B. They would have C. Achieved a good target, D. No error, E. 1A 2B 3C 4D. Correct option 1. A. If the employees would have. Question 2. They have kept down A. Costs by expanding at B. A time while provincial, C. High streets are struggling, D. No error, E. 1A 2B 3C 4D. Correct option 3. C. High streets are struggling. Question 3. Many researchers raised A. Allegations of be treated, B. In an inferior manner, C. By the administrative staff, D. No error, E. 1A 2B 3C 4D 5E. Correct option 2. B. Allegations of be treated. Question 4. The Maharashtra government on Tuesday A. Introduced amendment bills in the B. State legislature to the Farm 3 C. Acts passed by the centre last August. D. No error, E. 1A 2B 3C 4D 5E. Correct option 3. C. State legislature to the Farm 3. Question 5. Wuhan Institute of Virology, a leading A. Coronavirus Research Center, B. is responsible for introducing a new C. coronavirus that it was secret creating in its laboratories. D. No error, E. IA 2B 3C 4D 5E. Correct option 4. D. Coronavirus that it was secret creating in its laboratories. Question 6. Fill in the blank with appropriate words. During the first lockdown last year, one of my A. created a WhatsApp group. They had a B. Every day we send a photo. The catch? It had to be positive. I was grateful, very, C, for that chat. We soon failed to send a photo daily, but frequently something would appear, and I would receive an D into my friend's world. It was a reassurance. Before I had even clicked on the latest photo, I would find myself, E. Here was a friend, thinking of the rest of us. There was something in that once. The pandemic has encouraged reflection. We have turned inwards, stuck inside, and in our heads. With forced F, for some it has been a time to take stock. All the while, friends have been kept at a distance. How to be social when seeing your friends in person is discouraged, sometimes illegal. How have friendships, G, during the pandemic? Select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank G. 1. Succumbed. 2. Weathered. 3. Diseased. 4. Expired. 5. Departed. Correct option 2. Weathered. Question 7. Select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank F. 1. Isolation. 2. Accessibility. 3. Contact. 4. Socializing. 5. Camaraderie. Correct option 1. Isolation. Question 8. Select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank E. 1. Cheer. 2. Discouraged. 3. Depressed. 4. Cheered. 5. Saddened. Correct option 4. Cheered. Question 9. Select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank D. 1. Ineptness. 2. Ignorance. 3. Inability. 4. Insightful. 5. Insight. Correct option 5. Insight. Question 10. Select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank C. 1. Quick. 2. Quickly. 3. Quickness. 4. Slow. 5. Eventually. Correct option 2. Quickly. Question 11. Select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank B. 1. Condemnation. 2. Question. 3. Suggestion. 4. Solution. 5. Telling. Correct option 3. Suggestion. Question 12. Select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank A. 1. Friends. 2. Acquaintance. 3. Friend. 4. Well-wisher. 5. Friends. Correct option 1. Friends. Question 13. The question below contains 5 scattered segments of a sentence. Indicate the sequence which correctly assembles the segments and completes the sentence. A. Is effective in. B. Unity in diversity. C. Social problems. D. Solving various. E. The concept of. 1. DEBAC. 2. EBADC. 3. ABECD. 4. CEDBA. 5. CBEAD. Correct option 2. EBADC. Question 14. The question below contains 5 scattered segments of a sentence. Indicate the sequence which correctly assembles the segments and completes the sentence. A. Healthy and fit. B. We must encourage. C. So that our. D. Future generations will be. E. Good eating habits. 1. ABECD. 2. DBECA. 3. BECDA. 4. CEDBA. 5. EDBAC. Correct option 3. BECDA. Question 15. The question below contains 5 scattered segments of a sentence. Indicate the sequence which correctly assembles the segments and completes the sentence. A. Electricity through natural means. B. Use megawatts of electricity. C. This can help in getting cheap. D. The industries which. E. Must install windmills. 1. CBDEA. 2. EBDCA. 3. DBECA. 4. ABEDC. 5. BCEDA. Correct option 3. DBECA. Question 16. The question below contains 5 scattered segments of a sentence. Indicate the sequence which correctly assembles the segments and completes the sentence. A. Cause air pollution. B. Smoke, dust, and harmful gases. C. To the environment. D. The biggest danger. E. Pollution is probably. 1. ABCDE. 2. DCEBA. 3. BEDAC. 4. CDEBA. 5. EDCBA. Correct option 5. EDCBA. Question 17. The question below contains 5 scattered segments of a sentence. Indicate the sequence which correctly assembles the segments and completes the sentence. A. Received the Nobel Prize. B. Of Rabindranath Tagore is Gitanjali. C. The best collection of poetry. D. Most noteworthy, Rabindranath Tagore. E. In 1913 for Gitanjali. 1. A B C D E. 2. B C D E A. 3. C D E A B. 4. C B D A E. 5. D C B E A. Correct option 4. C B D A E. Question 18. In the following sentence, 4 words are given in bold. 2 or more of these words are incorrectly placed and need to be interchanged. If there is no need for interchanging, then no error can be selected. The engender, A, between insolence, B, and critical thinking not only impacts performance but can also affiliation, C, increased mortalities, D, in medical situations. 1. DCBA. 2. CBAD. 3. BACD. 4. ABDC. 5. No error. Correct option 2. CBAD. Question 19. The court exhorted A. The state government to scrutinize B. The lockdown measures that were relaxed last month, expressing concerns that the laxity C. could result in the spread of more transmissible D. variants of the novel coronavirus. 1. BADC. 2. DCBA. 3. ABDC. 4. ACBD. 5. No error. Correct option 5. No error. Question 20. Amisha was sewerage A. by the dirt, B. of a proper unnerved, C. system in the barbaric, D. village. 1. ABDC. 2. BACD. 3. DCBA. 4. CBAD. 5. No error. Correct option 4. CBAD. Question 21. In the given question, 4 words are printed in bold and are numbered A, B, C, and D. Of these, the positions of 2 of these words may be incorrect and need to be exchanged to make the sentence correct. Find the 2 words which need to be exchanged. In case the given sentence is correct, your answer is E. Lay, no correction required. Her life, A. in the house, B. of the confines, C. became her new normal, D. 1. A to D. 2. B to A. 3. D to C. 4. C to B. 5. No change required. Correct option 4. C to B. Question 22. In the given question, 4 words are printed in bold and are numbered A, B, C, and D. Of these, the positions of 2 of these words may be incorrect and need to be exchanged to make the sentence correct. Find the 2 words which need to be exchanged. In case the given sentence is correct, your answer is E. Lay, no correction required. If you have a short-term goal, then you A. provide a fixed income, B. product, not a market, C. linked product, 2. D. need return predictability. A to D. B. A to B and C to D. C. A to C and B to D. D. B to C. E. No correction required. 1. A. 2. D. 3. E. 4. C. 5. B. Correct option 1. A to D. Question 23. Read the given passage carefully and answer the questions. Some words may be highlighted for your attention. In response to the increasing environmental damage wrought by poachers, authorities placed a ban on ivory in the 1980s. Although the ban resulted in an initial decrease in the sale and trade of illegal ivory and a concurrent increase in the elephant population, more pressing needs caused most Western nations to withdraw funding for poaching prevention programs. Without significant financial support, poorer countries were unable to effectively combat poachers. The resulting explosion in the ivory trade has seen prices increase to nearly 10 times the $45 per pound price at the beginning of the decade. Unfortunately, the countries with the worst poaching problems have also tended to be the ones least able to combat the problem due to unstable political systems, corruption, lack of comprehensive enforcement programs, or some combination of all these factors. One primary hindrance to better enforcement of the ivory ban came from an inability to definitively identify the country of origin of illegal ivory. Countries used this uncertainty to avoid responsibility for curbing illegal poaching in their territories by attempting to blame other countries for the oversights in enforcement. Now, though, zoologists have perfected a new DNA identification system. First, scientists gathered genetic data from the population of African elephants, an arduous effort that ultimately resulted in a detailed DNA-based map of the distribution of African elephants. Then, the researchers developed a method to extract DNA evidence from ivory, allowing them to match the ivory with elephant populations on the map. Zoologists hope this new method will pinpoint the exact origin of poached ivory and force countries to accept their responsibility in enforcing the ban. Why are countries worst affected by the plague of poaching the ones which are worst at tackling the problem? 1. Unstable political system. 2. Corruption. 3. Lack of comprehensive reinforcement programs. 4. Combination of all the above factors. 5. All of the above. Correct option 5. All of the above. Question 24. Consider the following statements and mark the ones which are true. A. Ivory ban of the 1980s was successful. B. DNA mapping will lead to effective control over poachers. 1. Only A. 2. Only B. 3. Both A and B. 4. Neither A nor B. 5. A only if B. Correct option 2. DNA mapping will lead to effective control over poachers. Question 25. Consider the following statements and mark the true ones. A. The DNA-based map cannot be relied on to track poachers. B. Countries will not be able to blame each other once the DNA mapping system is in place. 1. Only A. 2. Only B. 3. Both A and B. 4. Neither A nor B. 5. B only if. Correct option 2. Countries will not be able to blame each other once the DNA mapping system is in place. Question 26. Which of the following is most similar in meaning to the word concurrent? 1. Coexisting. 2. Disagreeing. 3. Divergent. 4. Current. 5. Repulsion. Correct option 1. Coexisting. Question 27. Which of the following is the most similar in meaning to the word arduous? 1. Easy. 2. Onerous. 3. Effortless. 4. Mill. 5. Facile. Correct option 2. Onerous. Question 28. Which of the following is most opposite in meaning to the word curb? 1. Barrier. 2. Ledge. 3. Freedom. 4. Restrain. 5. Reign. Correct option 3. Freedom. Question 29. Which of the following is most opposite in meaning to the word hindrance? 1. Barrier. 2. Obstacle. 3. Handicap. 4. Drawback. 5. Benefit. Correct option 5. Benefit. Question 30. How does DNA map system work? 1. Matching DNA of poacher with criminals of the all countries. 2. Matching DNA of poached elephant with other elephants. 3. Matching the DNA of poached elephant with other animals. 4. All of the above. 5. None of these. Correct option 2. Matching DNA of poached elephant with other elephants.